What up, y'all? I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com, and I have another unboxing for you guys to check out. And I did not have to do this to get a pair. Let's get into it. First off, before we even open it up, a Jordan 1 usually comes in a box that's black and red. If you look closely, this one's a bit closer to orange, so you already get an idea of what we have inside. Sure enough, it's the Air Jordan 1 Solefly collaboration. As soon as you open up the box, the first thing that hits you is the smell, and that's because the leather on the shoes is incredible. Extra soft, super premium, unlike the smooth leather you would see on a regular Jordan 1. Looking at this shoe's colorway and how it's set up, the coloring blocking takes cues from what we've seen on the shattered backboard, the bread toe, the pine green, and the court purple shoes, in that it takes the darker tone of the colorway, in this case green, and puts it on the toe cap, down the middle of the shoe, on the shoe's collar and swoosh. And then it takes the pop of color and puts it on the shoe's toe box, ankle, and heel, with white, or in this case sail, taking up the quarter panel and the midsole of this shoe. From there, what really takes the shoe to the next level are the gold accents all over the shoe. So we see it, of course, on the gold Jumpman logo, the lace tips on not only the green laces, but also the orange and sail laces that are also included. Then we find the Solefly logo on the shoe's heel and on the insole. And if you haven't noticed, this shoe is very Miami all the way, using colors from the Miami Hurricanes athletic teams, and also featuring 305 on the inside of the tongue tab, and on the other shoe, it has MIA. Like I said before, this shoe really represents Miami, and that's definitely because Solefly is based in Miami. And fun fact, the owner of Solefly Miami is a man named Carlos Prieto. If that name doesn't sound familiar, he's the brother of Yvette Prieto, who is none other than the wife of Michael Jordan. So it all makes sense that Solefly was able to get a collaboration on the Air Jordan 1. But this isn't the only Air Jordan 1 or even Air Jordan that we've seen in Miami Hurricanes colors. When this one dropped, we also saw an all patent leather colorway, but of course that one was reserved for friends and family only. Also, we saw a certain wide receiver from the U wearing an unreleased Air Jordan 11 featuring an all green upper and orange outsole. All that said, there's a very good chance that these might restock in the near future, as we've seen official images surface on the internet, which you can check out at NiceKicks.com. So if they do end up restocking, do you see yourself grabbing a pair? Let us know in the comment section. And just like that, I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com, telling you to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next unboxing episode. Thanks for watching.